So I've used the Dyson airwrap on part of my hair, so on these bits, and these are my natural curls. So I've done that because it was still a bit wet and I need to go out, and it was quite frizzy at the front. So the Dyson airwrap helps with the frizz. And this is how I use the curl cream. So I'm going to use it in this case to help with the frizz on my hair. So I just get a small amount and rub it into my palms, and then I just apply it throughout my hair. And it will just help hold the curls a little bit, because I find when I do use the airwrap, the curls tend to fall out a bit, like as you can see, but I don't mind. So I'm just going to apply a little bit more because I'm only using it on a fraction of my hair. There we go. And then I'm just going to apply it to the front just to help keep it defrizzed throughout the day. And that's all I need. So this should help just hold my hair in for the whole day. There we go, all done.